Let me see your ID.
Why?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Because I want to know who you are, why you keep following us around. You can film all you want, and that's fine with me.
Can.
But I still want to know who you are. I want to know who you are. So let me see your ID.
Unless I've done something wrong, I'm not going to.
Right now,
yeah,
you are doing something wrong.
What's
I
that?
just asked you for your identification. I need to know who you are because you are sitting out here filming us. With all of the crazy stuff going around in this world nowadays, I am worried, yes I am, for my safety, their safety, and anybody else out here right now. You can keep filming me. Let me see your ID. I'm going to take a look, and then you can film me all you want.
Well, hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Super Rick 568. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Before we get into the video, I would like to take a moment and let you all know I have started a second YouTube channel. My new channel name is called Retro Gaming Central, and it will focus on all aspects of retro video games and gaming systems. If this sounds interesting to you, please click on the link in the description below and subscribe to our channel. Today's video took place in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. In this video, the auditor was out for an evening of cop watching. He had filmed this officer and his partner at 3 different locations that evening. At this third stop, the officer had had enough and demanded the auditor give up his rights and show him his ID. Well, this officer was floored when the auditor knew his rights and stood up for his rights and refused to comply with this officer's unlawful order. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
And then you can film me all you want.
What's my ID going to tell you?
It's going to tell me who you are and make sure that you're not somebody that's doing crazy things out here.
How are you going to tell that? By my
Because I'm going to run you.
It's not going to tell you anything.
Yes, it is. Go ahead, bring it out. You can film me all day, brother. I don't care.
I haven't done anything wrong.
That's why they're called field contact interviews.
Sir,
now, you brought yourself to us, and now I want to know who you are. So let me see your ID, please.
Is that a lawful request?
Yes, it is.
Or an order?
No, I'm asking you, let me see your driver's license or your ID, please.
I'm denying that.
Okay, then why don't you just turn around and walk away?
Because I'm not going to.
Then let me see your ID. I'm only going to ask you one more time.
Wait, I just asked you
your ID.
I just asked you if that...
I just asked you, and I gave you my reason why I'm out here talking to you now.
Unless I violate...
Now, you are violating my rights right now.
Why?
Because you're stopping us from doing our job.
He's still doing it right now.
There. There's 2 of us here. There's 2 of them in the car. Right now, you are creating a disturbance.
I'm not creating.
Yes, you are.
I'm not in your investigation
taking me away.
at all.
Yes, you are. You're taking our concern because I've got to look for our safety. I got to look for our safety as well as theirs in the car. Let me see your ID.
All I got is a camera.
I'm asking you. Let me see your ID.
Sir, I've done nothing wrong.
Yes, you are. You're interrupting our investigation here.
What statute is that?
What did I just tell you? It's a safety for officers and for the people in the car. You followed from over there in Tower all the way over here, and now you got my concern going. You can film all you want, and I don't have a problem with that.
Right.
Okay? But I do want to know who you are. And yes, you're being filmed too.
Good.
So let me see your ID.
Unless I've violated a law
or contact,
I have a violation.
A field interview, a contact, I can ask you for your information. Yes, I can.
Sir, I'm not going to give you any ID.
Let me see your ID.
I'm not going to give you any ID.
Why not?
Because I don't have to.
You got something to hide from me?
I didn't do it.
I'm asking you, you got something to hide from me?
I didn't do anything to show you an ID.
Right now you did. You're creating my awareness, and you brought me out here.
Can you call your supervisor?
I can call a supervisor.
Call him out here. Where are you from? 5th District?
Spot 873. 2816.
Am I being detained?
Did I put my hands on you? I asked to see your ID.
You don't have to put your hands on me to detain me.
Don't tell me what I'm doing and what I'm not doing.
Did I ask you or did I tell you? I asked you.
873 to 816. You meet us at our stop.
I'm going to move away a little from you because you seem kind of volatile.
No, you're the one seeming kind of volatile. I have not done anything. I have not come out.
Raise your voice. You're very aggressive.
This is the way I talk. I always talk loud. I
Very
explain to
aggressive.
you,
You
why.
come up within like
You
a
can
foot
say
of me.
whatever you want.
I-
You can say whatever you
It's
want.
on film.
Yeah, you're right. It's on
What's
film
your name,
both
by the
ways.
way?
Officer Lentz.
Lentz.
Yes.
Your badge number?
1763. You got the camera? Take a
I know,
picture
but I'm
of it.
not sure it'll get that.
Well, now I'm supposed to go out of my way for all of that.
No, it's
You've been
part of your
following us
department.
all over the
It's
place.
department policy to identify yourself when asked by a citizen.
And it's part of your policy.
No, I
if
don't
that's
have a
what you're saying.
policy.
So you could ask me everything I want.
That's
but
right.
I can't be concerned for my safety or another
You can be
vehicle's
concerned.
safety.
You can-
And that's why we want to know who you are.
Yeah, well, you're not gonna know.
Yeah, of course. So my boss will be out here.
Cool.
Yep.
He'll set you straight.
Yeah.
Maybe he'll.
I have every right to sit and ask you. Yes, I do.
You can ask all you want. I'm denying that request.
Yep. Having fun? Beautiful. I'm glad you are.
It's all right. I've had funner days.
Well, I think you enjoy this.
I'm not looking for it,
I
but
know.
if it
Now, wait a
happens, it
second.
happens.
You're not looking for it. How can you say that? You were over by Tower.
You don't
where
have
we
to
were.
approach me.
You followed us.
You
over
don't
here.
have to approach me.
See, but you don't understand. I've already told you. I start getting worried about my safety and their safety when all of a sudden I got somebody walking around. Okay? Taking pictures. I don't know if you're just taking pictures. Maybe that's a gun or something. How am I supposed to know what you're doing?
right.
Yeah. With the crazy stuff that's going on in this world, and you can't tell me, Mr. Camera Guy, that you haven't heard of a lot of crazy stuff.
If I want to do something like that, why would I go right to the scene with a gun camera?
Let me ask you,
And
why
do
do
that.
people do it?
I don't know, but
They do it.
I've never heard of it.
Yeah.
A gun
we hear
camera?
it all the time.
A gun camera.
You got gun phones, taser phones, all sorts of different weird things
Never
out
heard
there.
of it.
Well, look it up.
I just know
It's all
I
out
can
there,
do
brother.
this, and I'm legal.
Sure
and there's
you
nothing
can.
you can do about
And
it.
I told you,
and
you
I'm
can
not
do all you
asking
want.
permission. It's
I didn't
my
say
right.
you had to ask
All right.
permission.
Well, you guys act like I need your permission.
Well, no, but when you're stopping us from being able to
Not
do our
stopping
stuff
you from doing
safely,
nothing.
yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yep.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Nothing I can help you with?
What's your name?
Sergeant Carpenter,
Carpenter.
badge number 389.
Thank you.
No problem.
No, he needs to be straightened out on policy and the law, I guess.
No, he explained it to me pretty well.
Did he? All right. Well, is there any problem then?
Did I do something wrong?
You need some ID?
Did I do something wrong? Did I
There's
ask you
nothing
for
wrong
an
with
ID?
him asking
I
you
can
for
ask
ID.
And I told him, I'm not giving you any. It's my
That's
right
fine.
to deny that.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
Right. Okay. We're
And I
clear.
told
So we have an understanding then?
Yeah, but he's being
Okay.
kind of aggressive, so I told him to call you, and you would straighten him out.
Okay.
Now,
I think we're all on the same page,
Yeah,
aren't we?
I think she's doing the exact same thing I did, standing right in front of you.
She's not asking me for ID, and she's not
No,
like.
you already explained that she didn't care to give me
can do
give
that.
him any.
If you
Yeah,
want to give
that's
it
fine.
to me, and
Okay.
I ask you and you give it to me, great.
When you do it in an aggressive manner, and then you act like
No,
it's a
that's
lawful
no,
order.
No, that's just him.
Yeah, all
There
right.
you go. I talk loud.
It's him and a lot of other cops. All right.
I'm talking loud.
Well,
and, you know,
so we don't have a problem then, do we?
exactly.
I never had a problem.
Okay. Well, you said to
He
call a
thi-
supervisor, so here I
Yeah,
am.
because he was getting aggressive. Thanks for
Okay,
coming.
but we're cool now, right?
And everybody's got the same understanding. That's great.
Okay.
We
Carry
are.
on.
You have a good
I'm
night.
fine. You too.
All right.
I'll see you at
Good
the
night.
next stop.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember and go over and check out Super Rick 568's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.